Did you know that lightning bolts are hotter than the surface of the sun? It's true. While the sun's surface temperature reaches around 5,500 kelvins, lightning bolts can soar up to 30,000 kelvins, or 53,540 degrees Fahrenheit. When a lightning bolt forms, the immense electrical energy heats up the surrounding gases, creating a shock wave we hear as thunder. In that split second, the heat generated by the electrical discharge surpasses the temperature of the sun's surface. So the next time you witness a thunderstorm, remember the astonishing power and intense heat behind those captivating bolts of lightning. Stay curious and explore the secrets of the natural world. Don't forget to subscribe to Science Unveiled for more mind-boggling insights into the mysteries of science.